This is a video.
Jesus Christ.
This
Is this a video?
It's a video.
Thank God.
He came for the camera.
Hi. Alright.
Oh.
Okay. Alright. She's looking to find the high.
So, we're trying to work, but this is happening.
Toulouse! Toulouse! Oh, yeah. Go get that nice man. Yeah. Come on, Toulouse. He doesn't have to pee, he just wants to leave his mark everywhere. Babies! Hi!
Do you want a cat attack?
Yes.
Are you sure?
No, I'm not sure.
Hey, do you want to try? Just try it out.
I'm just trying. Pushkin.
My little.
They're beautiful.
My little push.
Ow! Oh my god!
Strauss?
Yeah. That's how you eat. Thank you.
And Toulouse.
Toulouse, come here.
Come here, Toulouse. There he is.
Hi, baby.
Hey, buddy. Hi. Hi, Toulouse. Is he a trained dog?
No, he just gets it.
He just gets it, yeah.
I think it's because I speak to him all the time, and he kind of just gets it.
He just, but I mean,
You know what I mean?
he knows where the camera is and everything.
Yeah, he gets it.
Well, he's a famous dog because he just found the camera. He's like a show business dog.
Yeah, he has a little bit of experience. He had one modeling job, and that's it.
Yeah. No, he really did. He had a modeling job.
He's not like a doggy model. But he's piecing out. He's over it.
No, that was Liz.
Oh dear.
Ariana, can you explain this, please?
What?
Can you explain this?
I am on a horse right now at
Yeah.
my house.
Bye, Ariana.
Man, I can't get the movie thing to work.
Ariana, can you take the horse and run to 7-Eleven and get me some Coke Zero?
What?
Nothing.
Can I get in to give you a Coke Zero?
Good talking to you.
Ariana trying to take a selfie with the alpaca. Is that what this thing is? What is this creature?
It looks like a carpet.